Hi, this is Jason Zwicker with Continual Energy Inc. Today we're going to look at downloading CSV data from DGLux5. So I get a lot of requests for people looking to download various types of data from their DG boxes and DGLux5. Starting in revision 3646, they've added a new feature to allow you to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have revision 3646 or higher installed with DGLux5. Next, I'm going to create a new page just to show you how you can do this, and then we'll run through an example that I've prepared. So first, I'm going to draw just a square on the page, and we'll go over to the Actions tab, and you'll notice that there's a new kind of action that you can add called Download File. Download File has three properties. First is the command, so this is when you want the event to happen. In this case, if it was a button, you'd probably want onClick. The data property is the data that you wish to download into the file. So this is probably going to be a table or a batch of CSV data or similar. Next is the file name property. This is the name for the file that's going to be downloaded. Make sure that you include the file extension that you want the file to have. All right, that's it for the new download file action. Let's take a look at an example that I've prepared. So here we have a download CSV button in the middle of the stage, and when you click on it, your browser will automatically download a CSV file, and then you can open that in the application of your choice. And here you see some sample CSV data that I've prepared. So I'm going to close that down, and we'll take a look at how exactly this was done. So I'm going to open up the data flow for this object, and you can see there's a few blocks here that I have to make this work. Let's run through it now. So first, the CSV parser block. This is really just an easy way to get some table data to work with. So here I've generated some quick CSV data, and the result is a data table that looks like this. So in your scenario, you'll probably have an actual data table to work with. I've just created this one for the example. The output, the table from the CSV parser, is being inputted into the data property of the download file action. Then I've also got a file name being input. Now to create my file name with today's date and time, I used a bit of a script along with a date format and a concat. Let's take a look at it. So the script has a property being set to date now, which will give you the number of milliseconds from the epoch. The number of milliseconds I've then fed into this date formatting block and used the formatting key YYYY, capital M's and 2 D's to give this date output here. Then the output from my date format is being fed into a concat block where I've specified the file name and the file extension on either side of the date. And then finally, the output from the concat is fed into the download, and that's the result. So once again, this has been Jason Zwicker for Continual Energy Inc. And now you know how to download CSV files from DGLux5. Thanks for watching.